Hello friends, and welcome back to the Mothership. Today we are taking a cow tongue, smoking it down barbecue style, and making our very own lengua tacos. Let's get started. This is a cow tongue. This is a big old wad of meat. Now, the first thing you're going to see when you look at one of these suckers is all this skin on here and the exterior of the tongue. We don't want to eat that. That's disgusting. So we could spend some time trying to cut it all off. Or a very easy method here is to toss it into boiling water for about an hour and then just peel it right off. So that's what we're going to do here. That should make it very simple for us to get this, this exterior skin off the tongue. Jeez, look at the size of that sucker. It's basically the size of my arm. Crazy. Into the boiling water we go. And we're done. Now, I will admit this is not the most appetizing looking thing, but you know what? The results are going to be fantastic. So what we need to do now is we need to get this skin off of here. So I'm just going to work my way underneath here with a knife and just pull her off. Easy peasy. Just got to get that start cut. Now, not my prettiest work, but you know what? We're going to be shredding this anyway, so it doesn't really matter as far as the how pretty it looks. But what I want to do now is get a whole bunch of salt on here, just like all my other types of meat cooks, guys. Doing a half teaspoon to a teaspoon per pound of meat. Get everything on here. Perfect. Now this is just going to sit in my fridge for a little bit while I wait for all that salt to get absorbed. And then we'll throw a rub on there and throw it onto the smoker. Salt has been absorbed. Now it's time to get a rub on here. This is my multi-purpose rub, omitting the salt, of course. We're just going to get this whole thing coated down. Perfect. And then this is going to go directly onto my smoker. I've already got up to temp. We're going to run this at 225 degrees. Let's get outside and toss it on now. Here we are chugging along. We have an internal temperature right now about 185. This has been on for about 4 hours at this point. It's looking good. I'm just going to keep letting it do its thing. You could certainly wrap it if you want. You could put in some liquid and braise it. I'm just going to let it run all the way to about 200 degrees. I haven't taken a lot of video because, as you can kind of tell probably, it's really nasty out. New England, disgusting day. Rainy, cold, gross, and I don't really want to destroy my camera. But I'll come back out when it's time to move forward. After about 6.5 hours, and I'd say that this is done. Oof, smells really good, looks great, good bark on there. Let's cut off some pieces. I don't even know how to cut this sucker. Let's cut off a bit. Yeah, that looks good to me. Oh, it's melty. It's so melty. Look at that. I mean, that's basically like brisket, guys. Look at that. Oof. Got a little piece. See how we did? These are going to be so good in tacos. I'm going to cut off a bit more. Let it cool off a bit. Then we're going to assemble a taco and let's get this meal started. Now, guys, I don't really get phased with cooking different cuts of meat. Honestly, nothing really gets me. I've butchered enough animals where I don't really care. But I know many people look at the tongue and they think, ooh, that does not look appetizing. Which is fair. But I promise you, once you're done with it, once it's just in this nice meat format like this, you're gonna love it. It is absolutely fantastic. I'm sure you've had lengua tacos before. If not, absolutely give them a try. This time around, we just went with the straight smoke style. We just took them and put them on the smoker like a brisket, ran it all the way through. A lot of times when you're getting them, they have been, you know, cooked in a brazier, a crock pot, something like that. So they're more like shred apart. This has a little bit more bite to it, I guess you could say, but I took it to the point past like 200 degrees, so it really does fall apart. It's pretty perfect. And then what we did, I took some flour tortillas, I put some queso fresco, I did a quick pickle of onions, and then a little bit of cilantro and some sour cream, and we've got these beautiful looking little tacos here. Now the seasoning that I use is my all-purpose rub. I will have my recipe somewhere down below. And then as far as the pickled onions, I'll have a recipe there somewhere down below, links somewhere to my website. But what really matters here, guys, is our little tacos here, and how do they taste? So let's give them the old-fashioned chomp. Honestly, beef tongue It tastes like beef, but it's just beefier. I mean, that's really the only way to explain it. It's like if you've ever had heart meat and you know that it's gonna be really, really intense. It's like that, but like down to a 6, from like a 1 being a regular cut of steak, a 10 being heart meat. It's kind of like a 6. So it's pretty beefy, but it's not as harsh as organ meat. It's really, really good. It's such a huge muscle on the cow. I mean, if you go back to the beginning of this video, it's like the size of my arm, and I'm 6 feet tall, so I don't have short arms. It is a pretty massive, massive cut of meat. But honestly, when you cook it low and slow like this, it just falls apart. A little bit of multi-purpose seasoning, and then just adding in the accoutrements that I have on my tacos. These are just fantastic. Now, I am going to absolutely eat more than 2 of these, but I'm waiting for my wife to get home. But guys, I would love to hear what your thoughts are down below if you've ever cooked a beef tongue like this, or if you've ever cooked beef tongue at all. Does it gross you out? And if you do like it, but you just don't want to cook it because it grosses you out, love to hear what your thoughts are down below. If you guys cook it differently, also let me know down below. Most importantly, I'd love for you guys to get out there and cook something absolutely fantastic, and I'll catch you on the next UFOBBQ. Bye-bye.